Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make stew mango. Start by selecting mangoes that are ripe but firm and prep onions, garlic, and ginger. Sear your protein until browned and set aside while you sweat aromatics. Add spices, coconut milk, and diced mango. Simmer gently until flavors meld and sauce thickens. Finish with lime juice and fresh herbs, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving warm. Gather simple ingredients: mangoes, onion, garlic, ginger, coconut milk, lime, spices, and your choice of protein. Chop mango into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking and fold them in late to preserve texture. Use a gentle simmer to meld flavors without breaking down fruit completely. Taste often and tweak salt, acid, or heat to suit your preference. Serve over rice or with crusty bread for a satisfying meal. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and enjoy hands-free timers, music, and recipe assistance while you cook. It fits on a counter and answers timers so you never overcook your stew mango. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Brown your protein in batches so the pan surface stays hot and flavorful. Deglaze with a splash of stock or water to lift fond and add depth. Add coconut milk and spices, then lower heat to a gentle simmer so sauce thickens slowly. Fold in most mango toward the end to keep texture, reserving a few pieces for garnish. Let the stew rest briefly before serving so flavors settle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.